Your room can look clean, feel cool, and still make everyone think more slowly. The strange part is that the number on a CO2 monitor is not a universal danger line. So why does a meeting room often feel stale long before anyone can point to a smell? Every person in that room is doing the same quiet experiment, breathing in oxygen, then breathing out air with much more carbon dioxide, moisture, heat, and trace compounds from the body. In open outdoor air, those exhaled plumes dilute almost immediately. In a closed room, dilution depends on one balance: how quickly fresh outdoor air arrives, compared with how quickly the people inside add exhaled air. That makes a CO2 monitor useful, but easy to misunderstand. It does not measure every pollutant. It cannot tell you whether there is smoke, carbon monoxide, mold, or chemicals from furniture. It is mainly a tracer. When people are the main indoor source, a rising indoor CO2 reading can hint that the room is exchanging outdoor air slowly for the number of people inside. Imagine two identical offices. One has 2 people and a steady supply of outdoor air. The other has 12 people, sealed windows, and a ventilation system set too low. The second office accumulates the shared exhaled air faster. The monitor rises because the room is not diluting that occupant-generated air as quickly. But the number alone is not a verdict. A reading near 1,000 parts per million has often been used as a rough ventilation clue, yet ASHRAE warns that one fixed number does not fit every building, room use, activity level, or air distribution system. A sensor can also be badly placed, poorly calibrated, or sitting in a local pocket of exhaled breath. Outside CO2 and the room's mixing pattern matter too. That is why a stuffy room is a problem-solving clue, not a diagnosis. First, look for the simplest causes: more people than usual, closed windows, a blocked outdoor air intake, or a system that is not bringing in enough outside air. Then remember the other half of indoor air quality. CO2 cannot stand in for pollutants that do not come from occupants. Cooking, cleaning products, smoke, moisture, and combustion appliances need their own source control, and in some cases, dedicated alarms or testing. The practical response is not to chase a magic number. Reduce pollution sources where possible. Increase outdoor air ventilation when conditions allow and when the building system is designed for it. Use appropriate filtration for particles, knowing that ordinary particle filters do not simply remove CO2 from the air. And if a room repeatedly feels stale, treat the monitor as one piece of evidence alongside ventilation, occupancy, and other pollutant sources. The invisible threshold is not one number. It is the moment a room stops replacing shared air as fast as people are adding it. That is why opening a door can make a room feel different before the monitor has even had time to explain why.